Hey everybody, hey! Just want to let you know we got our new Witch's Moon box today, so we're gonna go ahead and get this guy unboxed. Yay! Okay, I gotta use my real hands now. So let's do that. Hey, here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. And I absolutely just love getting this box every month. This is literally my favorite subscription box. So let's see. And as you see, it says The Witch's Moon. So let's go ahead and see what we have. All right, so we've got our Witch's Moon box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. There we go. Can we get it? Ta-da! All right, I see these beautiful pieces of artwork that they always have on top, so we'll go ahead and get started with this. Also, we have our this looks like an oracle card, so we'll have this oracle card going on. We'll go into that, and this is everything that's in the box. We'll hold it to the end, but I try not to give too many spoilers, although sometimes I mess up, but we're gonna go through those. So it looks like the first thing I see is this really pretty sigil card. It looks like it's an oval crescent moon kind of in a galaxy. That's pretty interesting. And then our first little small Book of Shadows card is about the labradorite. One of my favorite stones. They're so beautiful. I think they have a lot to do with psychic and kind of intentions and psychic abilities and stuff like that. So we'll look at those. And then look at this pretty girl right here. Isn't she gorgeous? So this, oh, I think this is Nyx. Yes, this is Nyx. Oh, Nyx, you're gorgeous. Let's see. Really don't know anything about her, but she's really pretty. She looks like she's kind of in this blanket or dress of stars in the heavens. It's beautiful. I gotta tell you, the artwork in this box is just amazing. Amazing. And then, oh, we've got, this is Harvest Moon, September Esbat and Full Moon. I am not very familiar with the Wheel of the Year, but I know that it's kind of like the holidays. So she, I believe, is part of that holiday or celebration. So I'm gonna look more into her as well. But I just gotta tell you, once again, these are just so, so pretty. Isn't she gorgeous? Alrighty, and time to get into this. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, ooh. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out, this is, says Persephone. I believe she is a goddess of the underworld. Yeah. And let's see, I'm gonna have to open it with my actual hands. This looks like a ritual salt. Oh, how pretty. Nice, let me see if I can smell it. Oh, it has a really nice sweet, it's got a nice sweet smell to it. I really like it. All right, that is so cool. So that is the Persephone. And then, let's see. Oh, this looks like I think this is either a tea bag. I think you can also use these if you don't want to get like a bunch of stuff in your bathtub. So that's a bag for that. Maybe we'll use it for the bath salt. We'll see. And then we have Lady Elhorn. I believe that this is elderberry. Yep, elderberry. Very good to have this time of year when you're trying to like fight off getting any of that funk. If you're into that herbal medicine type stuff, it's supposed to be healthy for you. Ask your doctor. And then we are moving on to, this is Nyx, I guess it matches with her card. This is Nyx Blend. says herbal cabinet. I see, looks like lavender and rose petals. Yeah, that's what I see in there. So that's probably for a ritual bath. Maybe that's what you need the bag for. And then, let's see what we got here. We have Nocturna Ritual Herbal Tea. Ah, and it looks like, you know, like when you see chocolate, that's kind of what that looks like, chocolate. We'll see what's in there. That's very cool. All right, what else do we have? I see our incense, and this is night jasmine, one of my favorite smells. Love, love, love. So there's some incense. Oh, I see a stone. I'm putting my hand down here so I can use the real one. And I believe this is probably labradorite because that card also, oh, look at the flash. That is amazing. Blue, I see blue, a little yellow, orange. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this stone. Very, very, very nice. I'm a fan. Of course, I love these boxes. All right. And then, oh, we have this. I'm sure this is the oil. They have the best oils. So let's see. Also very well packaged. All right, let's see. Okay. This is, what's this say? I guess it's also Nyx. Nyx? Magical. I can't even read that. My eyes aren't even focusing. Magical anointing oil. And see if we can, I don't think you can really see. It's a blue bottle. Pretty cool. So that's our oil. I'm sure this is our candle. Our candle. It's purple. Let me get my little trusty cutter to get into this and not hurt myself. Always cut away from yourselves, people. Don't hurt yourselves. Don't do what I just did. All right. Ooh, yes. Gorgeous color. Look at that. Smells good too. Very light, really light fragrance. Beautiful candle. And then we have, I think, are we down to the end of it? We are. Are we down to the end? We've got this guy, and it is huge. What are you? Let me see. Okay, I see feathers. Ooh, hold on now. Holy moly. Holy moly. Let me get all these feathers. It is gorgeous, I believe. This is like a dream catcher. It smells amazing. Of course, the whole box smells amazing, but it's like a dream catcher, and it's got, look how pretty, it's got a beautiful pentacle in it, pentagram in the circle, pentacle. See that? And it took me a while to figure out that these weren't scary. You know what these actually mean? It's the 4 elements plus spirit. So it's gonna be like earth, air, fire, water, and then the top is spirit. When you think about it, that's so beautiful. And of course the crescent moon, which I just love. And then it's got all these feathers. Look at the iridescence in the feathers, you guys. It like reminds me of the labradorite. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, so gorgeous. Yes, that is freaking cool. Yeah, I am a fan, you guys. Amazing. All right, let me get these put on here. We'll hang this guy up here. Maybe he'll stay. Yeah, stay. Alrighty, and I will pull out the paperwork and we will see what we have. Oh, we also have this little, it's an oracle card. Yeah, the coven, which sometimes works with a coven every full moon to raise energy. The witch now sends an etheric magical support group. They will gather about you, celebrate your dreams and wishes. That's sweet. Yes. Alrighty. And so, and I'm not going to give all this away. I'll just kind of do a little bit because I would love for you guys to get your own box, and there will be a link. So it is Goddess of the Night is the theme of this box. You've got the handmade talisman of the goddess Nyx. Let's see here. She's a protector. Nyx is a protector of, and she stands atop her chariot in darkness. Nyx looks pretty interesting. I'm gonna have to do some more study on her. There's Nyx Book of Shadows artwork, which we saw. The Goddess of the Night sigil, which was that beautiful, where'd it go, little sigil here. I gotta find it. It's on the bottom. That's the Goddess of the Night sigil. And then we have the labradorite palm stone, the Book of Shadows artwork, the Nocturna Ritual Herbal Tea with the muslin bag, and the Nyx Ritual Herbal Blend. We have the elderberry, the hand-rolled Cosmic Magic Spell Candle, the anointing oil, the Persephone Sacred Salt, the Night Jasmine Ritual Incense, which I'm gonna burn some of that soon, the Harvest Moon, Esbat and Full Moon Book of Shadows page, the personalized Oracle reading, which was that card right there, and you always get a piece of parchment paper. So yeah, you guys, again, an absolutely amazing box. I am such a fan. I think they curate some of the coolest things, and for anybody who's kind of a newbie, even if you're not a newbie, if you're a little bit more seasoned, this box just has the most amazing things in it. It just, I don't know, makes me want to do more in my practice if I'm practicing. I don't always practice well though. But yeah, I mean, like, come on, like, such a good deal. And this right here, being a crystal person, that's amazing. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This box is amazing. I will see you in the next one. And also don't forget, I have a couple other channels. I have a channel called Mealy's Way, which is a travel RV channel. Don't post much on there. And I also have a channel called Tidy with Teresa. It is a cleaning channel, which I have a lot of followers on that one. So I'm trying to get this guy going too, Urban Gem. So anyway, I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up. If he could make his thumb move, he would. Give it a thumbs up. Like this, subscribe, share it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.